Hello, hi everyone, good afternoon. A bit of a different video for you today. I will not be starring in this one as much.
Hello.
My husband will be kind of starring in this one, or will be starring equally, maybe. Because he is actually going to be cooking some yummy food today for me and for his parents. We're going to visit my in-laws. And so we're going to go to the supermarket. He's going to pick out the ingredients he needs. We're going to show you his cooking process. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a good time. I'm excited for his yummy food. I look like this.
Beautiful.
Thank you. I woke up way too late today. Didn't have time to do my makeup before my appointment. I had my chiropractor this afternoon. And I got my time wrong in my head. So I woke up and immediately had to leave. So this is what we look like today. We're just going to deal with it. Yeah, let's go. We're also trying a new lens on the camera. I'm not sure if it makes a difference or not. We'll see when it's time to edit, I guess. Anyway, let's go.
Let's go. I go to spring onion.
Okay. Look, okay. I really like that grocery store because it's a lot of local produce, which is very nice. I got lots of snacky things. I'm gonna eat this now because I haven't had lunch and we're not eating for like another 3 hours, and I'm kind of hungry. And I got a very healthy drink.
You can have some croissant.
Yeah, my parents also have some croissant or something for me, but I want to eat this now. So I'm gonna be greedy and eat it now. And yeah, we're gonna go to his parents' house. Let's go.
Hello everyone, I'm Jae Hyeon. I'm Tori's husband. Today we're gonna make Jjim Dak together. Jjim Dak is a Korean dish made with chicken and vegetables. It's originated from Andong County, kinda Andong County in Gyeongsang-buk-do province. Let's go. Okay, to begin with, we need to set up our vegetables first. So we have garlics, we have spring onions, and we have potatoes, and we have carrots. I'm not sure I'm gonna using it because I think Tori will not like it.
That's okay for me if they're small carrots.
Okay, so spring onion, potatoes, onions, carrots, and garlics. Let's start. Oh, I miss my big cooking knife, not the small one.
Oh, we left it at home,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Oh, knife is so small.
For Jae Hyeon's birthday, Christmas, something last year, I bought him a set of very nice cooking knives, and I think you're missing that right now, right? Yeah.
Yeah, there's like a big Chinese, cooking knife.
Use it for everything.
Yeah, I love it. After Tori. Tori first, knife.
Not the cats.
Knife, cat second, knife third.
Okay. You're such a good housewife, honey.
Thank you. I'm just thinking about size. I think it's not too small, not too big. Right?
Yeah.
I think this is enough.
Yeah. It looks like cheese.
I'm a little confusing about garlic's portion, so I'm gonna check the recipe first. And actually, I think I'm kinda reference a recipe from YouTube, but I modified it because Tori can't have a spicy food, right?
Yeah.
And you like rice cakes, right? So we'll put a link of original recipe here. So please.
We'll put it down below.
Okay, down below.
We can only link our own videos at the top. I think.
Okay. So if you are interested about original version of it, you can check the video here.
Typical mother needs to express her opinion.
이거 남은 거야?
응.
오케이. 가만 쉬워야지. 이거 여기 딱 잘라가지고 꺼내가지고 한번 헹궈놔야지. 꺼내놓고 엄마가.
This is so small.
Oh, but
And about chickens, chicken or chickens?
chicken.
About chicken, we need to make a small holes on the surface, so chicken can like soak sauces better.
The sauce.
I think like this. Last time we used smaller chicken, like more like a smaller size, but this time we didn't have any choice, so we need to organize it better. Or just well.
You prepare it well.
Yeah, because there's only one option for this kind of chicken,
yeah.
right? So I think I will use this one.
I think what he meant is that we didn't prepare, like we didn't buy the stuff in advance, so we just had whatever was available at the very small local supermarket. So that's why we haven't got the exact chicken that we wanted. I think that's what he meant.
Okay, so we basically prepare the ingredients for cooking. The chicken, potatoes, spring onions, garlics, onions, and for sauce, we need soy sauce, and this is jjajang powder. It's something we use for like a Chinese meal.
So this is soy sauce?
Yeah, this is soy sauce. Kanjang is soy sauce. And this is oyster sauce. This is sugar. And this is vinegar. And salt, pepper. And additionally, this is rice cake. I'm gonna add it because my wife loves it. And I'm gonna put chickens. Fat needs to go under. That part needs to go under. I think I can just put everything here. Yeah. Yeah, I think oil comes out from chicken at the moment. And in this time, we're gonna add some salt. I'm sure it's gonna enough salt because we're gonna also use soy sauce.
Yeah. So please explain Jjim Dak.
So in Jjim Dak, dak means chicken, and Jjim means literally steaming or cooking.
So we're having cooked chicken.
Yeah,
Steamed chicken.
yeah, kind of. Now I'm gonna add
Soy sauce.
yeah, soy sauce. Oh, mistake. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh my god.
7, 8. 2 spoons of oyster sauce.
One.
It's kind of okay.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. 1.2, I guess. And 2. I should mix it. And we have more. We have more stuff to add. 2 spoons of jjajang powder. Yeah, 2 spoons. And 3 spoons of sugar.
Sugar. I love sugar. My favorite thing.
1, 2, 3.
Mixing.
Yeah, mixing.
Mixing time. 400 milliliters. Putting everything in.
Yeah, everything together.
That's the garlic.
Yeah, garlic.
Potato, spring onion,
Yeah.
and more potato,
Yeah, more potato and onions.
and regular onions.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
So I want to really recommend this Jjim Dak dish for foreigners who want to try making Korean food for themselves, because it's easy to make and ingredients are cheap, not expensive ingredients, and kind of simple, relatively simple comparing to other Korean dish, and it's yummy and not spicy. And let's add some tteok.
Yay, 떡떡떡.
I think 1.
1 handful,
Yeah.
2 handfuls,
I guess
3.
yeah, 3 will enough for you.
Yeah.
Like that. Yeah. I wish chicken was smaller, pieces and boneless.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think it's my mistake.
We didn't prepare well.
Yeah, we didn't prepare well.
요리가 준비 그러면 여기다가 담아 이게 좀 그릇이 어울리거든.
네. Yummy.
So, how long have you been cooking it for? How long should we cook it for?
I think it depends on cases. You know, depends on the case. I'm not sure because I modified the recipe. You know, when it comes to amount and when it comes to ingredients.
Yeah.
So you should judge, I think.
Okay, so judge for yourself how long to cook it for. Okay. There's also a green pepper
Or other Korean.
portion prepared because I don't eat them, so it's been prepared separately, and the Koreans will add it to their meals when they want to. And I'm very sorry because they had to modify it just for me, but I can't eat spicy food, so and it looks like it's nearly ready, and it looks so yummy, and it smells really, really good. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Oh, it looks so good. Hey.
짜장 소스가 괜찮은 것 같아. 느끼하지도 않고.
짜장가루가 주스.
저번보다 더 맛있는 것 같아. 한번 해줬잖아, 그지?
네, 아니 근데 닭이.
Oop. It's okay. Okay, so we're done. We ate well. 잘 먹었습니다. And now we're just gonna go home. So thank you for watching. Let us know down below in the comments if you tried the recipe, if you tried our version, if you tried the original one that will also be linked down below. Sorry, it's countryside, so there's just the roads are not in great condition. Anyway, see you guys next week. Goodbye. Actually, next week video will be my birthday, so I might not be uploading it next week. It might be the week after. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.